Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm reviewing the best online business platforms for digital creators, the tools that help you sell courses, memberships, and digital products. I'll compare the top 10 options, breaking down their pros and cons so you can find the best fit for your business. At the end, I'll share the platform I personally use and why I believe it's the best option for serious creators. Plus, I've got an exclusive bonus for those who want to try it, a double trial period, a complete free course, and more. More on that later, but for now, let's dive in. The first platform to talk about is Circle. If building a strong community is a big part of your business, Circle could be a great fit. It's designed to create lively online spaces where people can connect, share, and interact. Circle makes it easy to host discussions, share useful resources, and create a space where members feel engaged. For example, you can run a virtual workshop where people learn and share their experiences in real time. That's exactly the kind of interaction Circle is built to support. Although Circle is great for community building, there are other platforms out there worth exploring. Each one has its own strengths and different features that might fit better depending on what you're looking for. Next, we have Patreon. It's a platform where creators can get ongoing support from their fans. It's great for entertainers or content creators who make videos, art, or music. Fans can give small, regular donations to support your work. For example, a musician might share behind-the-scenes content, or a writer could offer early access to new chapters. Patreon helps you build a steady income from loyal supporters. It's also a great way to interact with your fans and get feedback on what they want to see from you. Moving on, let's talk about Go High Level. It's a platform that combines multiple tools into one simple solution. Go High Level pulls in the best features from other platforms and puts them all together. One of its coolest features is the white label agency option. This lets agencies rebrand the services as their own. Plus, it's a real game changer for agencies. You can offer your clients a full set of digital marketing tools under your own custom branding. It's an easy way to provide a seamless subscription service while keeping everything under your name. Another interesting option is Skool. It's a platform that has gained a lot of attention from top creators. What makes Skool different is how it treats community building as something searchable, like a blog post people can find through search engines. If your goal is to create a community that's easy for new members to find, Skool could be a great fit. It's built to help your community grow and stay visible to more people. For example, educators and coaches who want their courses and communities to show up online can benefit from Skool's search-friendly design. It makes it easier to reach more potential members. In addition to platforms that focus on communities, there are also tools that handle email and messaging really well. MailChimp is a great choice for creators who are just starting out and need something affordable for email and SMS marketing. It's free to use and lets you add a good number of contacts without paying right away. I remember when I was just getting started, I used MailChimp all the time. It was perfect until my business grew and I needed something more advanced. It has everything you need to send newsletters and updates to your audience. Plus, it makes it easy to grow your contact list as your business expands. Squarespace is another great platform to consider, especially if you're focused on creating a strong online presence with a beautifully designed website. It's known for its stunning templates and easy to use design tools. You can build a professional homepage, landing pages, and even sell digital products like courses. While it doesn't have the same level of community features like Circle or Skool, its real strength is in how flexible and simple it is to use. You can create a sleek, modern website that becomes the main hub for all of your digital content. Next up, we have Samcart. It began as a simple checkout software, but has grown into a platform that also helps with course creation and other digital products. If your main goal is to make the checkout process smooth and boost sales, Samcart could be a great option. For example, if you're selling an online course or a membership, having an easy and efficient checkout process can make a big difference in your sales. Samcart focuses on making transactions simple and quick, which is perfect for creators who rely on high conversion rates to grow their revenue. Then we have WordPress. It's a big name in the online world, powering more than 40% of all websites. WordPress is a super flexible platform that lets you customize your site with plugins and themes. If you need a website with specific features that match your brand, WordPress can do the job. It's especially great for blogging and content marketing. It has strong SEO tools to help your content show up higher in search results. But if you're looking for advanced features like building a community or managing online courses, you might need to add extra plugins or use other platforms alongside WordPress. WordPress. Moving on, let's talk about ClickFunnels. It's a popular tool in the online marketing world. It's designed to help you create sales funnels that work really well and are focused on getting results. If you rely on ads and need something to help you test and improve your sales pages, this platform has plenty of features to help you build landing pages, take payments, and even run your entire marketing campaigns. The idea is to make it simple for people to go from seeing an ad to buying something without any trouble. That's what ClickFunnels is made for. Next, we have Teachable, a great platform for creating and sharing online courses. It's perfect for anyone focused on selling educational content. Teachable gives you a dedicated space to host, manage, and track your courses all in one place. One of the best features is its detailed analytics. You can see how students interact with your content, spot where they might be struggling, and find out which parts they enjoy the most. This helps you adjust and improve your course as needed. Plus, it offers built-in marketing tools to help you promote your courses and reach a larger audience. After reviewing all of these options, you might be wondering which platform I personally use and recommend. Well, my favorite platform is Kajabi. I saved it for last because it's the one I use and trust the most. It fits my business needs perfectly and makes things so much easier for me. Kajabi is an all-in-one tool. It lets me handle everything in one place, like creating content, designing my website, automating marketing, and delivering products. Kajabi has everything I need in one place, so I don't need to worry about managing a bunch of subscriptions or making different tools work together. For example, I use Kajabi's drag and drop feature to design my website. It's super easy to use, even if you're not familiar with technology. My website has custom pages that show off my brand and host all my content like landing pages, blog posts, courses, and membership sites. On top of that, Kajabi is so simple to use. It takes care of all the technical stuff, so I can spend more time creating content and less time stressing about running my online business. One of the best things about Kajabi is how flexible it is with pricing. It has an affordable Kickstarter plan, which is great if you're just starting your online business. This plan gives you a simple way to try out the platform and grow as your business gets bigger. I've seen how its easy to use design and powerful tools have made my work so much smoother. It helps me create and share digital products while staying connected with my audience easily. For anyone looking for a simple all-in-one solution, Kajabi hits the right balance between being useful and user-friendly. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. As promised, I've got something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that gives you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days. This means you'll get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test out all the features without feeling rushed. Simply check the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. This is an affiliate link, so I'll earn a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra though, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. As a thank you for using my link, you'll get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. This is a quick program where I walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. We'll cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. But that's not all. When you use my link, you'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. These templates are worth over $900, but you'll get them all for free. The best part is you'll get access to the course and templates instantly when you use my link. I want to make it easy for you to start strong so you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. With all of that said, I hope this breakdown of the best online business platforms for digital creators helps you figure out why Kajabi is the ultimate choice for your needs. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to know more, just let me know in the comments. I'd love to share what I've learned and help you get started with setting up your online business using Kajabi. I can't wait to see you succeed, and I'll see you in the next video.